Welcome to today's episode, where we dive into an exciting piece of tech that's sure to interest all our listeners, the TinySwallow-ChatUI. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is that? Well, let's break it down. Imagine having a smart language model right in your browser, functioning completely offline. That's what TinySwallow-ChatUI offers. You can start chatting without needing an internet connection after a simple download. How cool is that? It allows for engaging conversations while ensuring that your data stays secure and private because all processing happens locally. No external APIs involved. Now, let's talk about accessibility. One of the standout features is that you don't need to jump through hoops to set this up. It's as easy as cloning a repository and firing up an HTTP server. For those of you who might be scratching your heads at that technical jargon, don't worry. It sounds complicated, but it's really just a few straightforward commands to get you started. Speaking of setup, once you have the initial model downloaded, which does require a one-time internet connection, you're ready to go. It operates entirely off your computer, but here's a fun tip. If you are looking for a completely local option from the get-go, there's a version called TinySwallow-ChatUI Local that has everything packed with it, allowing you to go entirely network-free. Now, here's an important note for our listeners. This application is still in its experimental phase. So while it's a fantastic tool for research and development, it's not advised for high-stakes or commercial environments. Kind of like trying a new recipe for family dinner. Great for a low-stakes setting, but maybe not the best idea for a fancy dinner party. So as we wrap up this discussion, I have to wonder, what do you all think about the future of local AI applications? Could we see more of these smart offline tools as a way to enhance privacy? I'm genuinely curious about your thoughts on that. Thanks for tuning in today. We hope you found this exploration of TinySwallow-ChatUI both enlightening and exciting. Until next time, keep those curious minds buzzing.